Shoulders, head, toes, shoulders, toes, head, shoulders, knees.
Start tayo dito. Ay, ito pala, consonant plant. Yan, Candelara, consonant. Together, consonant plant 2026. Tapos, ayan, papasok po tayo dito. Yan. Nandito tapos yan. May na naman CR, boat CR. Ay, yan na po. May boat CR dito, left and right na CR. Tapos, entrance na tayo dito. Papasok.
One more time! Give it up for Tommy!
Alright, we're going to have our next game. Our next game is for kids. So I need 94 kids ages 12 and under. 24 children.
24 children, please.
Tapos we will play here in the middle so that everyone can see. Okay, we have 4 kids. Okay, line up here. I need to.
Diyos, or ulitin ko na lang yung naka-medyo. Salad. Tingnan ko lang kung ano, para alam ko ano kukunin ko sa nanay ko mamaya. Caldereta ang baka. Kakapampangan kayo pala. Okay, okay. Si Rinalima kasi Tagalog eh. Bayo yan eh, kay Balo. Bego ka. Kasi liway itang bego ka na. Aliwaya kasi itang bego ka na. Kapag ito, chicken pork kasana. Kito, mustasa. Kapapaan sa CBI. Paras lang mo ka rin.
May bayad po yan.
Opo. Di po tinitingnan ko para alam po ko din sa mama ko po eh.
May bayad daw yan pag po ko na
Hi, family. How we doing?
Opo.
How we doing? My name is Tommy Kunsuhi, and today
May pansit.
an original
Puso sa
song
pares
by
lang pala. Ay, di ko po masara. Oo.
generosity, and courage. We also gather today in joy and gratitude, giving thanks to God for the gift of faith and the blessing of family. May this sacred celebration on the occasion of our Consuhi clan reunion strengthen our bands of